everyone, it's Hannah. Welcome back to Studio HN. I'm back this week with another release that I wanted to show you. We're all really excited about it, so I think you guys are gonna love it. And that is a twist and mini version of the open circle studs. So as you might know, if you've watched some of our latest videos, we've been updating some of our original designs with more options. And we actually had something else planned for this week, but I was playing around with some metal and ended up making these open circle studs in these new variations. And they were so cute and we loved them here at the studio that we just kind of had to bring them to you right away. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you some close-ups of the new twist version and the new mini version of the open circle studs. So here we have the three new variations of the open circle studs, including this sterling silver pair right here in the larger 5mm diameter in twist metal. And then the mini twist open circle studs, these measure about 3mm in diameter. And then lastly, the new smooth variation of the mini open circle studs. These are in rose. And we do also make these open circle studs in both solid rose gold and gold, as well as gold fill, rose gold fill, and sterling silver. So here we have Allison modeling the original open circle stud design in gold. And then on the other side, she's wearing the new mini open circle stud in rose gold. And here she's wearing the new mini twist open circle stud earring in sterling silver. And on the other side is the new twist open circle stud in gold. And Allison styled this really cute, bold look, including the circle necklace. And we'll let you know what all these pieces are down in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment if you kind of like seeing these behind the scenes videos on new designs that we're coming out with. We'd love to hear what you guys want to see more of. If you want to get a pair of these for yourself, we'll leave all the links to our website in the description box below. And also, all the pairs that I showed you today, which I made, will be at our new Portland location. So if you live in Portland and you want to come try them on, definitely come check us out there. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.